Hi designers, I am ready to show you a few tricks about how to create gathers in Clo3D. So we have this dress with gathers. By the way, you can find the digital asset on Twitch and also on my website and on my YouTube channel as well. Okay, so I have created this very simple dress. I also use these patterns to create a physical garment. So if you're ever interested in creating a physical garment out of this digital asset, you're free to do so. To create the gathers, it's very simple. You use the editing tool, edit pattern, you click on the line, and you'll see that in the 3D window, you see exactly the panel you have selected. And we select this pattern. Then we can go to elastic, turn on, use the strength to maybe 80, and play with the ratio. And then, very important, you need to click simulate. Once you're happy, you can click to stop simulation. Okay, I think I clicked it 20 times. You can do the same to different parts. Let's say this one, maybe this one, okay? The same, you go to edit pattern, edit point segment, you select it, you'll see the yellow highlighted, go to elastic, turn on, and just play with the ratio and the strength, and then simulate. Maybe a little more. Oh, well, I think it's going a little too fast. Okay. Let's do this for the back as well. Click on, maybe go to like 80, simulate, maybe even more if you want. You see how it's actually in real time and getting way too bunched up. Now let's see again. Oh. So it's really up to you how many gathers you'd like to create. Just make sure the front and the back actually yeah, I don't think I want the sides to be with elastic, so you have to turn that off so the side seams are straight. All right, so this is what we have. You will find this digital asset in the comments on Twitch if you want to try it out, and let me know if you have any questions. See you tomorrow.